Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a poster here in Canva. Let's begin. Creating a poster in Canva is a straightforward process, allowing you to design visually appealing and professional posters with ease. Now, I want you to log in to your account using your credentials. If you haven't already, just click the sign up button. You can continue with your Google, your Facebook, or if you want to continue signing up with your Apple, your Microsoft account, Clever, or if you wanted to continue using your personal email or business email, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have created your account, just click the Start Designing a Poster button here. And what will happen is you would be forwarded to this blank canvas wherein all of the information can be customizable. All right, so for now I'm going to rename this, and these are some of the posters that you can choose. All right, night party coming soon, but please do take note that if you see a crown pro watermark, that means you need to upgrade to the Canva Pro to use this premium template. So you might want to avoid that for now if you are using the Canva free subscription. All right, for example, I'm going to be choosing this night party. Right, night party. You can customize the template on the left side. You can scroll through a selected options here. For example, you see that you can shuffle until you get the desired effect that you wanted. All right. For example, you're happy with this. Okay. Now, after that, I want you to go to the element section wherein you can add more information, such as maybe a sample, say graphics like a gradient. For example, this one right here, we can add it here. Of course, you can drag it kind of like this one, but you can decrease the transparency so it's not really harsh. All right, you can do that. I'm going to customize the this text right here. I'm going to say, for example, that one. Now, I must go to our GPLabs YouTube channel. Now, if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications on our latest content. I'm going to copy our GPLabs YouTube channel URL and then quickly switch here. I'm going to paste that. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. You see that I'm going to drag this element right here. And of course, you can place all the elements together by pressing the shift. I'm going to group it so it's a lot easier to move. Right? I'm going to delete this. For example, I'm happy with this poster. Now, I'm going to go to the element section, maybe add this one for now. So it kind of like a small border. And I'm going to kind of like change the color as well to something like this or strikingly, but I'm gonna choose to decrease the opacity so it's not really harsh. Right? After that, I'm gonna make sure that this poster is really the event poster that I wanted by clicking on the full screen to check if the elements blend together. All right. Seems like here, if you wanted to use more elements, again, click on close right here. You're welcome to go to the element section to add shapes, icons, stickers, or illustrations to your poster. All right, you can search for keywords related to your design. For example, you're looking for Halloween, type in, and of course press enter. You see, you can add like a spider, but again, we're avoiding the Pro because it has like a watermark. So we're not gonna do that. So instead, we're gonna look for something like this, but we're going to, of course, decrease the opacity. All right, so you have all these here. You can copy that here. You can flip it horizontally. You see that? And of course, we're gonna copy that here again in the bottom by rotating it. So it's the bottom is not like dull. There's like negative space here. And of course, we can add bats. We can maybe make it like a white or something like this, right? This one, no, on the bats. Can add it here and decrease the opacity, kind of like this one. Now click the present full screen to make sure again all the elements have blended together. All right, so I'm really happy with this. Now the next thing is you might want to click on the upper right corner to click on the share. If you want to download this as a PNG, which is suggested, you can increase the file size. But for you to be able to do that, you need to subscribe to the Pro subscription. If you don't have that, that's okay. Just click on the PNG for now. Right? Because if you have the Pro subscription, you have the option to compress file, have the transparent background, and limit file size too. You can also choose the JPEG, PDF standard, and also the PDF print, which is really good if you plan on printing this to give it to your client or to distribute it to the marketing department. If you choose the PDF print, you might want to click on the crop marks and flatten PDF. You can also include notes. Now, the notes are the comment section here. Actually, if you click on the comment, you can put in your information, such as, for example, that. If, again, you click on the share button and you click on the PDF for print, if you include notes, the notes will be included in the printing. Now, if you want to share this design to your client or to your boss, you might want to click on the anyone with link, copy the link, and send it to the email. Or if you want, you can share this link to your social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok. You can also forward this design along with the link via email or WhatsApp or iMessage or using Facebook Messenger. You also have the option to download selection, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Microsoft PowerPoint. And as you can see, the Canva has a very intuitive drag and drop interface, making it easier for anyone, regardless of design experience, to create beautiful posters quickly and efficiently. Again, go to the element section and type in poster, or if you wanted to work with the design again, you see that, hover back and go to the templates or style. All right, you can create your own style or template. And again, just type in poster and press enter, and of course you have all these options. Users can easily customize all the templates by changing colors, fonts, images, and layouts to match their brand or personal style, following a unique and personalized design. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.